Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change duration of alert messages in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the VoiceOver. Then after that, in the VoiceOver, scroll down again and then find the Braille, then tap. Then in the Braille section, scroll down and then find the Braille alert messages, then tap. Then in the Braille alert messages, as you will see, is a duration that you can adjust for the seconds of your choice. If you want to add the duration of your alert messages, just tap the positive sign located on this part to add the duration for the seconds. And if you want to lessen the duration of your alert messages, just tap the negative sign to adjust and lessen the duration of your alert messages. And that's it. We have successfully changed duration of alert messages in VoiceOver on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!